So guys, for today's tutorial, I thought I could do a trending makeup look that has been going about TikTok at the minute. I'm always so late to doing these trends, but I think I'm just about on time. I'm always like 4 years too late. But strawberry makeup, I've been seeing this going about recently. Correct me if I'm wrong, I think it was Hailey Bieber that started it. I'm honestly not too sure. But that's what we're gonna do today. Realistically, it's literally just like a really nice light glowy summer glam with strawberry coloured pink rosy blush and lips. My skin has been so dry recently. Parched, I tell ya, parched. So I'm just using I've done my skincare and everything and it's still so dry. So this is the Elemis Superfood Glowing Priming Moisturiser. Very much a love-hate relationship with this product. I'm going to be super boring real quick, but I changed my camera settings. Look at me, all high-tech. So let me know, is it any good? Is it better? Because I honestly have no idea. But I think it's brighter and I think my background is blurred, I think, which makes me, I feel, a wee bit more in focus. But let me know how you feel about it. I quite like it. Quite like it thus far. So for foundation, I'm taking the Pat McGrath Skin Finish. I took the shade medium, light medium. Every time I use this foundation, I'm absolutely blown away with how beautiful it is. It's just absolutely gorgeous. But also one of those foundations that I bought wanting to like it because I spent the money on it, but then not wanting to love it that much that I had to repurchase it because it's so expensive. But it is lovely. But you know what, I've been really wanting to try the Maybelline Skin Tint. I don't know why I put that gap in there between skin tint. But I was in Derry on Sunday, and I was doing a wee bit of shopping. Primark haul and HomeSense haul coming soon, by the way, hopefully tomorrow. And I was in looking for the Maybelline Skin Tint. Couldn't find it anywhere. Goddamn TikTok making things popular. This is the Vive Modern Radiance Concealer. So I'm going to be keeping the skin just my usual, just kind of like a bit of full glam, bit of a more heavier coverage than most. I have actually watched a couple of wee tutorials on YouTube, TikTok here and there of this makeup style, makeup tutorial, makeup look, whatever you want to call it. And everybody just seems to be doing like their own skin, like how they prefer their base makeup to be. Whether it's a wee bit lighter or more full glam. So I'm just going to go for a wee bit more full glam. It's more me. And this is the Doll Beauty Giving Contour Bronzer. Wow, that's a big orange forehead there. Jesus. No, 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 no. I was going to go on ahead and powder. I'm going to use one of the Pale Louise the Chicken Fit liquid blushes. I thought this shade would be absolutely perfect. And also because it's in the shade Strawberry Sunrise. Oh shite. Ooh wee. Looks nice, doesn't it? I'm going to put on a wee bit more. The thing with these blushes is, or just like any liquid blush to be honest, I like to take just a wee bit at a time and I like to build it up. It's obviously always easier to apply and take off. I'm also going to do a bit of bacon with the Huda Beauty powder in Cherry Blossom Cake. This is the pink tone powder. Oh, smells so good. I love the smell of Huda Beauty's products. I feel like if you're wanting to try out the pink under eye trend, but you're maybe a wee bit scared or you're maybe not feeling it that much, this is a nice wee powder to try because it's not really super pigmented, but it's just going to lightly add a nice wee soft wee kiss of light pink at the under eyes, but I feel like it complements a really nice pink blush. I'm going to try this wee setting spray I got recently. I got a nice wee PR package from Seate with their like summer must-haves and everything. Came with this bronzer I'm going to be using, and also this is really interesting actually. I'm really looking forward to trying this. Well, I'll try it now actually. So this is the G Stick body oil, but the packaging is really nice. Lovely. And it's just like a big jumbo stick, big jumbo chip. Dickhead. Ooh. So the fact that it says oil is kind of scaring me. I'm not a big fan. I love body oils, body dews and glows. Like at the minute, like on my body, I have the Refi body glow body oils. Like to me, that's just like stickiness. My hair is gonna stick to it. It smells lovely. But it literally just gives you a bit of a glow. I feel like this would be nicer if you're going to be wearing your hair up and out of the way or down the fronts of your legs. A product like this would be really nice, but yeah, it doesn't feel sticky or anything either. This is the Everyday VKG Coconut Setting Mist. Oh shit. And then I have this Iconic London Duo. I love this actually. This is the Silk Glow Duo in Coral Glow. I was thinking of using this as a blush topper and maybe just for highlight. I feel like it's a beautiful colour and it'll match perfectly with the P. Louise cream blush that we applied. And it's also got like a wee bit of sheen through it. Not so much as a glow or glitter, it's just a nice wee sheen. I'm also going to put a wee bit of blush just right at the tip of my nose. And I may as well just take a wee bit of the highlight as well, just while I'm at it. I'm going to hit the forehead more so, because I'm not really wanting too much blush, or highlight, sorry, on the cheeks, but just a wee bit. These days I usually just like to use a blush that has a bit of a glow, bit of a sheen to it, so I don't necessarily have to go in with another product being highlight. Oh, that looks very dark. Or is it just me? I'm not going to add too much bronzer either. Just want there to be more of a focus on the blush. I'm just going to be doing obviously something really simple on the eyes. Going to take two palettes, the Vive Soul Shadows and this is the Burn Quad. So I'm just going to be taking this quad here just for this transitional colour. And I'm going to pop that just all over the crease. But you know what I've been really into recently? Podcasts. But I can't listen to podcasts like just listening to them. I have to actually watch them, like on YouTube. The Sesh by Kendall Ray. If you don't know, Kendall Ray also has a true crime YouTube channel. I love her channel. It's so good actually. She covers a lot of cases. I spoke about this on my Instagram, or I put like a picture up or something, or I don't know, but I would highly suggest watching this. And whenever I posted it, I kind of thought to myself, oh shit, do I sound like a bitch? Do I sound like a nasty person? And it wasn't, like that's not my intention, like that's not how I meant it to come across. But basically they are talking about Jaclyn Hill. And they have two business owners, Jen being one of them. Jen from, is it Jen Gerard? Jen... basically the girl that owns Gerard Cosmetics. She's basically on the podcast and I'm not even joking, it's nearly 3 hours long. But it's just so interesting. Here's the thing, I follow Jaclyn Hill still to this day on Instagram, on YouTube, and I probably still will continue to because, you know, I do enjoy her content every now and again. But oh my god, I was aware that she was involved in a lot of scandals. I know she is fake in somewhat shape or form. She's very, very money hungry and money driven, which I don't really feel is the best way to be. She has effed over so many business people, but so many women in business, which I just think is absolutely disgusting. Shame on you, girl. Shame. But actually having these business owners talk about their experience with her, mate, please go and watch the podcast with Jen from Jared Cosmetics and also the one with Marlena Stell. I think, yeah, let me see. Yeah, Jaclyn Hill exposed for losing Marlena Stell brand millions of dollars. And it's again over an hour long. And Marlena Stell is even on talking and just, oh, it's so good. They go into like literally every single detail, and there was just so much stuff that I did not know or have a clue about that Jaclyn Hill done. And like the type of person she is, like we can put on whatever type of font or front that we want on our YouTube channels here. I can technically make you want to believe what I want you to believe, the type of person I am, right? I can do that if I want to, and I feel like that's the same way with Jaclyn Hill. But these other people, they know her personally, and she just sounds like a dick. Like, horrible bitch. And I do not mean to be nasty, but it is what it is. I was so shocked. And you see now every time she uploads onto like her Instagram or her Instagram stories, I'm like, I'm now looking at her in a completely different way, but I'm still going to be following her on Instagram. Does that make me a shitty person? Does that make me shady? But no, I really, if you don't like Jaclyn Hill and you think it'll piss you off even more, maybe don't watch it, because I swear I got really rattled over it. Oh my goodness, like the entitlement and everything, oh my word. I was so shocked. I was so naive and just silly in the fact that like I really wasn't actually that aware of how shitty of a person she really was and how much she has actually destroyed women-owned businesses. But yeah, really would highly recommend watching it. The podcast is called The Sesh, especially the one with Jared Cosmetics, the owner of that, and there's somebody else that comes onto it as well, talking about how Jaclyn Hill treated her and her business and basically lost her millions. And then obviously Marlena Stell, highly recommend. But I'm going to do a wee bit of deepening up of the crease. I'm going to take this palette from Sigma and this shade here. I'm going to take one of my brushes. I'm going to treat myself. One of my 01 brushes. I have one more set of my brush collab, by the way, for sale on my Vinted. But it's brand new, unopened, literally not touched. Is it in here? Yeah, it is. This is how it'll come. Brand new, unopened. I've left out 3 brown liners. Why? I think I might actually take the Maven Beauty eyeliner. These are so good. I've been using these for years. If my liquid liner looks a wee bit dodgy and not even, mind your own business. So I'm just going to apply a wee bit of mascara before lashes. See this mascara? It's so good. It's the Maybelline Surreal, the Falsies mascara, but damn, it's so messy. Like, I'm actually going to use a new pair of lashes. I was kindly gifted these. These are also by a small brand, by the way, if you just want to go and support. They are Elsie by Lisa, and they kindly reached out to me on Instagram asking if they could just give me some lashes, and I was like, yeah, sure. But the lashes did look beautiful, so I'm mainly looking at this pair here. These are E3. Beautiful. I love how flared out they are at the outer corner. And then we have the style E2 and then E1. Oh yeah, that's right. And they also were kind enough to give me a discount code for you guys as well. It's non-affiliate, I don't get paid or anything for it. And it is EmmaF10, and it will get you 10% off the entire website. Okay, my loves, so that's the lashes on, and I've done a wee bit of, look at my missing nail. I've also done a wee bit of inner corner eyeliner as well. These lashes are lovely. Really nice actually. I think I'm going to do my lashes before I go to Bali, but I'm also going to take a wee strip pair of lashes as well, and I think I'll take these because they're not too big, and I love the outer corner. Perfect, love that. And I'm also going to do, just quickly here, a wee bit of eyeliner actually in my waterline. I'm going to take the Potted Jealousy eyeliner from Be Perfect in the shade Muted. I see they had their warehouse sale again on Sunday just past there. I just got a few bits and pieces on the website, so I don't actually think I got enough to do a haul, but I got enough wee bits and bobs, just like top ups of things, and like the Chroma Cover foundation. What else did I get? I got a couple of blushes, a couple of highlights, bronzer. I have the Be Perfect bronzer already, but the shade I have is too dark, it doesn't suit me. So I bought another shade. I think that's it actually. Eyelash glue. I'm going to take this wee lip colour, and this is from Pineland. Is that too pink, do you think? That nearly looks orange. I also have the Cherry Coke lip gloss, and I also have the Luxe lip oil from Colourpop, but I think this is going to be clear, so there's no point. Yeah, clear, boring. Because I do want a wee bit of colour, I want a wee bit of something, you know. Oh, I love this, I love the smell of this. And then this is going to be completely optional, but I feel like this will make it maybe a wee bit more natural or whatever. And I really love doing this every now and again. Faux freckles. So I'm taking the one from GRWM. I think after this use, I might actually bin this because this is so done. And it's starting to dry out as well. This is my take on the strawberry makeup trend. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope to see you in my next one.